Northern California. Most earthquakes are small enough where the majority of people don't feel them, but sometimes there are bigger ones. In 2010, an earthquake hit the city of Eureka, which is in Northern California. It had a magnitude of 6.5 and even reached all the way offshore into the Pacific Ocean. California and Alaska are the two states that have the most earthquakes, unlike Florida and North Dakota, which have the fewest. Large earthquakes will occur along the San Andreas Fault System, which is the major geologic boundary between the North American Pacific tectonic plates, and this passes mainly through California. Since earthquakes are unpredictable, the solution is to always be prepared and try to have buildings that are built prepared for earthquakes. In the South, it's common to have tornadoes. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air between a cloud and earth which touch each other. A thunderstorm can spin out of one or more tornadoes. In the southern areas of the United States, they are mainly known for tornadoes. This is caused because the South has an environment for thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are the root cause of all tornadoes. Cold air and warm, humid air cause thunderstorms, which lead to tornadoes. States that have tornadoes are Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, and others. Since tornadoes are also unpredictable, the solution is to be prepared. Remove or securely store things that could be potential hazards. Reinforce your roof to protect your house, and this is to prevent your roof from flying off in the storm. You can help reinforce its strength by having hurricane clips or straps installed. Indonesia is the world's largest country that is between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. This country is known to face a lot of natural disasters like tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. There was a tsunami that hit in the city of Jakarta. It was a 10-feet high wave and killed 281 people. This happened in 2018 and was the second deadliest tsunami to hit them. An undersea landslide that was set off from a volcano caused it. Tsunamis happen due to undersea earthquakes, which mainly occur at boundaries between Earth tectonic plates, which cause the water to move up and down. Since tsunamis are also unpredictable, a solution to this would be to avoid living on the coast and be as inland as possible.